Howdy y'all. Today's video is just going to be one of my cement koi fish projects because I've recently got a lot of orders for them on my Etsy store. So if you want one, go over to my Etsy store. I have a link on my main page. The ones I have for sale currently are these Avatar The Last Airbender inspired cement koi, yin and yang. They're perfect for little fairy gardens or, you know, just your indoor plants, whatever you'd like. I do spray paint them black and white, and then I do a dusting of glitter. I do a dusting of glitter, and then I spray them with clear enamel. But mind you, if you do put them outside, like with any garden statue, you will eventually have to repaint them. Exposure to the elements, they will not last forever, but indoor they should be fine. I can do custom painted koi, any colors you'd want. If you want a rainbow, I can't talk, rainbow koi, I can also manage that for you, but I can do any variety of orange or pretty much anything. I do have plans to do a couple Halloween ones and put them on the listing. So if you're interested in those, they're available. Currently they're still drying, the ones I did for this video, but I'm gonna put together me painting them as well in this video, so you'll see that. I hope you like my spooky background. Spooky season, I love it. Today's look is inspired by Sally from The Nightmare Before Christmas. To me personally, I see that movie as a Christmas movie rather than a Halloween movie, but it has both, best of both worlds. And so I went with like a blue eyeshadow for her skin tone, and she has red lips, and then I have this Sally shirt on, and I don't have a red wig, but I do plan on either getting one or making one. I'm also on TikTok, if you all are unaware, and like I'm gonna use that to do the testing crafts, because last night I really wanted to make something out of felt, because I keep seeing these cute little felt things everywhere, and I might make like baby mobiles or something. But last night I made this cute little ghost, and the process video is on my TikTok. All he is buttons, felt, and I had this lace in my scrap pile, and I just love the addition of it. And a little Halloween ribbon to be an ornament. I've never really sewed before, so this would probably look a lot better with twine rather than normal sewing thread like I used. And also I probably should pre-sew the buttons on, because after I got the edges sewed, I did not have room to get my fingers in there, so the back isn't that pretty, but the back isn't what you're worried about. It's cute little thing. Yeah, if you want to see things like that, go to my TikTok, and if you're interested in watching videos on how I made this guy, I might do some more, so just let me know. I think that's it for today's video. It's gonna be koi. I'm gonna talk about the process in the video coming up. Still doing Halloween projects. Bookmarks are up on my Etsy store now currently. I've already sewed a bunch of them, but I will do like remakes if they're requested, so I have a custom listing on there. You just have to tell me before you order. I'm still going to be doing bookmarks as well as Halloween activities throughout this coming month, and I have a lot of things planned, like it's ridiculous. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's just going to be the koi. I'll probably do some painting, and I also did an experiment in this video with just a mold, so we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. I do giveaways, and I try to do new videos weekly, and that's all. Enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.